PRT Heavy Duty offers a leading coverage of 100% gas-charged shocks for heavy-duty applications, including trucks, trailers, buses, commercial vehicles, cement mixers, motorhomes, and more. PRT HD shocks are uniquely designed for smooth performance, durability, and driving stability in all weather conditions. Each product is nitrogen gas charged to eliminate aeration, which improves driving and handling performance and extends its service life. In this video, we will cover the removal and installation procedures on a Mack 4000 series truck. To access the shocks, you can lift the truck by the wheels or perform the procedure while it is on the ground. For some models, you might have to tilt the hood forward or remove fenders to access the shocks. You can also inflate the airbag on rear axles to make installation easier. Remove the lower bolt for the shock. If the bushing sleeve is seized, it might require heat to pull the bolt from the sleeve. Next, remove the upper bolt for the shock. You might have to compress the old shock to remove it from the vehicle. Installing the new shock is the reverse of the removal. Make sure to use the hardware included in the box. The hardware may include new bolts, nuts, washers, and bushings where applicable. The lower bolt and upper nut should be tightened to manufacturer's specifications. PRT is synonymous with quality, complete coverage, advanced features, and built-in profit potential for its customers. PRT products are produced and tested under the strictest OE quality processes required by leading automakers. With OEM quality and complete coverage, ride technology is in our name. Get more information about PRT products through our customer relationship service by calling 1-770-238-1611 or through our website, PRTAutoparts.com. And follow us on our social networks at PRT Auto Parts or hashtag PRTMYHD in our social media channels and see what we have available for your HD vehicle.